falling rocks here, honey. That's a pretty special view, isn't it? It's Collody and McBride coming back from the Outer Hebrides. I just put our route home in, guys, through Glencoe. Basically 10 hours. You having a chat?
I am.
Who are these two you've met?
These are my friends.
What are their
Tell
names?
me all about the area.
What have they said so far?
He's called Gert.
Gert?
And this looks like a... It looks like a key.
Looks like a key.
He does look like a key for the hair, do
Yeah.
His key. Oh, yeah. I like his cane. He's got some thick legs, they're like mine.
Your boots match.
Yeah, thank you.
So where are we then?
I can't pronounce the name.
Knockan Crag? Nice
Oh,
view
I was
that,
reading
guys.
over there, I was.
Our last day today, wife?
You know, don't.
So
Lunchtime.
today is Boxing Day, everyone.
You go boxing.
So I hope you're all enjoying your Boxing Day. We've got up a bit late today and popped out to try and make the most of our last day here. So we're going to go for a little tootle around this place. It's pretty steep, as you can see the hills behind me. We'll try and make the most of it though and take you along with us if you'd like to join. Catch you en route. Come in and discover how our planet works. There's quite a lot of information here, especially about your rocks. A few crows there. I originally thought that this was all shattered glass, like it was meant to be full height, but I think it's actually depicting the hills all in front. Yeah, so Ben Goblach, that one says. Ben Morna Collich. No batteries. Quite an interesting place. There's plenty of reading here. It's all about the rocks. Quite interesting. You'll have to pause it if you want to try and read any. Little woman here doing a bit of surveying. How are you? You okay? Good. Enjoy your day. Oh, another rock fall sign. We seem to be falling into these. Looks like we're making our way up, guys. Wifey's picked the route. I'm just tagging along. Around the world in 600 million years. There's plenty to look at here. Scotland is near the equator. What are you doing up there?
Oh, I'm tired.
Hey, that ball's took a lot of building. Slider, come here. Good boy. Up you go, wife. See you at the top. Don't stop, keep going. Looks like it's my go. They are steep, aren't they?
Yeah.
My knees are clicking. Well, thank you for tagging along with us again, guys.
Oh, the sods.
Poor sods. Hope you're enjoying our Scotland adventures. As I've said, I've no idea how these videos are going to be released or edited. That's wife's job. Isn't it, wife? Nice views here, though. just keeps going up, guys. Look at that view though. Oh, what we got here? Thrust trail return. Moyne thrust. It says crag top trail. Climb the steps and be the Moyne thrust. You are far below the surface of the planet and 75 kilometers away. Is that up here? I'm gonna go up here. Climb the steps and be the thrust. Same thing again. You are now at Knockan Crag, but still 2 kilometers below the surface. That's all there's here. Debatable if it was worth coming up these steps, isn't it, Baba? Little side didn't know where his mum had gone. He just took off like a hooligan to find her. He doesn't do that with me. He's not bothered about me. Falling rocks here, honey. Might have to jog past her. Wifey's making the ascent. And them damn crows over there, they were nice earlier, now they're just doing my head in. Listen to them. We go find dog. Could they have put these closer to the edge? It's quite a bit steeper than we thought, this is. Oh. My knees are clicking. Sound like an old man. He won't have gone too far. We're gonna head this way, guys. Apparently, there's a viewpoint. Gosh, stunning scenery though. Pretty much every walk we've gone to do has been quite a bit harder than similar rated ones in Wales. This is the viewpoint, guys. We've got a couple of benches for us. Someone's brought a wheelbarrow and some stone. Cider, come here. Don't drink out of that. That's a nice view. We'll give you a 360. Taking the piss out of me? Taking the mick out of my breathing? It's not my fault I get tired, is it? Drink of the view.
Me too. Me too.
Nice, isn't it?
It's lovely. So, like, it's like a mirror.
Yeah, it's nice any weather, isn't it? Snow would be good. What a view. Breathe, honey. That's a pretty special view, isn't it? We can see all the way back down there behind us is to Ullapool, I think. And then I don't know where the rest goes. Might have took a bit of climbing up here, but definitely worth it. I do hope you're enjoying the video. Please stick with us. We're well worth watching, honestly. Well, there's never really a point to our videos, is there?
No, just go out and do what we want.
Yeah, we're not really like coming out to make a specific video. We sort of just film whatever we're doing.
And just try and enjoy ourselves.
Yeah.
Because life is very short and you need to do these things in life.
That's words of wisdom there from Bobble That Lady.
Well, once you go through certain things, I suppose it makes you think differently.
Damn right. So enjoy your time.
Hope you've had a good Christmas.
Yeah, I hope you had a good Christmas and a good Boxing Day. And you come from the edge. Come on. What you doing?
Like King Kong.
He has to go by the edge. He's got to be like hanging off a cliff or something.
Baby.
Where
Good
is-
boy. You've been poorly on holiday and you'll be good.
There he is.
You feel a bit better.
Yeah, he's had a bad tummy, but he's getting better now. Good boy. We'll carry on then back towards the car and we'll probably have a coffee, won't we?
Oh yeah, I got mine today.
Yeah.
How long have we got to go?
Just a quick detour off the main path. Well, one, to show you that view again. And what's this? Making a home on the stone. Have you noticed the patchwork of different plants growing on the crag? Not today because it's winter. Everything's a bit dead, but peat plants and pine trees. If you want to read any of that, guys, you can pause it and have a quick read. Oh, it's peaceful here. So as you can see today, there's no sun. The weather app was saying it was going to be sunny today because yesterday was lovely and sunny. But it's actually cloudy. And well, at the car lower down, the temperature was 3 degrees. So it's probably quite a bit cooler up here. And at the top, Cider was trying to have a drink. And the water was all froze, there was all ice over the top of it. So it's cooled off a lot now. Last night the car all froze over and everything. So temperatures are dropping up here a bit now. Not too far from the car park. Got to do a bit of a loop around there and then back down to the car. Cider, where are you going? He's all the way down there.
I completed it.
You wait for us. Good boy. Well done, wife.
I'm going.
Be careful.
Boom.
It's a nice view to your left.
Huh?
Nice view.
I know, I've watched it higher up.
Oh, Saki, are we?
No.
We were just discussing walking boots on the way down here, weren't we, wife?
Yeah.
And the pair we are currently using are made by a company called, is it Grisport or Grisport? They're Italian, they are. They've been making walking boots and shoes for years and years, but I'd never heard of them. And I'd only had one pair since, well, I've had them for a long time. They're Columbia's, and they've been quite good. They're like a mid boot, but these ones are a proper full height boot, waterproof, etc. And so far I'm over the moon with them. And the reason we went for them is the price was good compared to others, but they are using Vibram soles, which all the other boots like Merrill and similar brands to them, they're all using the same sort of soles. So wife tried them first and liked them, so I've got a pair now. And yeah, I'm over the moon. Anyway, the reason I'm telling you is not to brag about my footwear, but if any of you guys that watch are into hiking or walking and need a nice pair of waterproof boots that are warm, yeah, then have a look at Grisport or Grisport. Yeah, and they're not too expensive. And oh, the other thing, they have offers on, so when I bought the pair I'm wearing now, I had a free pair of merino wool socks and a spare pair of laces. They come with the boots, and the boots were on offer. So I think they're about 140 quid.
Yeah.
They come down a bit. Wife's were a little bit cheaper, weren't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, have a look at them. We're back at the car park, guys.
She's waiting for us.
There's toilets here. I don't think they'll be open today, but busy appears to well. It's toilets, electric charge point there if you've got an electric vehicle. It's very nice. You chilling, wife?
Mom.
Baba chilling as well with his little Christmas toy. Yeah. So we're in the process of having to pack up, guys. I know. We're packing some stuff, wifey's bag, packing some gear in my bag there. Done a load of washing, that's empty now. We're just waiting for the dryer to dry. Then once all that's done, we can chill out for today. Come on, wife. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our Boxing Day extravaganza. It was interesting, wasn't it? Right, I best get back to it because we'll need tea after, no doubt. Wife's doing a bit of washing. As usual, you'll decide not helping, are you, mate? No. Bed's all stripped. We're ready to go, really. Steady. Most of the stuff's all packed in the car, just a few bags left. Early start because we got probably a 10-hour drive without traffic and any stops. I know. You might as well join us for the journey home, guys. We're gonna head from here through Glencoe, which is it's about an hour out of our way, really. It's not, well, not out of the way, but it's not the quickest route home. But it's the most scenic, and there was a lot of roadworks by Inverness just after, so it might work out better. I'm not sure what they're doing there, some sort of big motorway or I don't know. But anyway, we're going to go through Glencoe so you can see a bit of that, and who knows what the day will bring on the journey home. So stay tuned, guys. All packed up now, guys. Bye bye. One last little look around.
Nice.
What's with the language, honey?
Sorry. Not in best mood.
Swearing.
You're naggy.
It's Collody and McBride coming back from the Outer Hebrides. Now we've got to say goodbye to this view. You gonna be sad to see it go, Baba? I can't procrastinate any longer. I just put our route home in, guys, through Glencoe. Basically 10 hours. That was it for if we were to keep driving without any stops.
So it should be over 7:15.
So it's going to be...
Be 8, 9 o'clock.
It's going to be 9 o'clock by the time we stop and have a break.
Isn't that mad? 9 o'clock till 9 o'clock.
Yeah, you might as well stay with us then. so good, so good.
So good. Ourselves on the way up.
It's a long drive, guys.
It's a long drive. 4 hours, 11 minutes to go.